A very good morning. Now let us see the topic of performing insertion operations into the AVL tree. Already we have seen what is an AVL tree, which is which satisfies the balanced condition. So whenever you are trying to insert a new node into the AVL tree, it may clash the balanced condition. It may not satisfy the balanced condition. For that reason, what we have to do is, every time when we are inserting a new node into the AVL tree, we have to readjust the tree. We have to perform some rotations on the tree so that again it becomes an AVL tree. For that, there is a 4-step process actually. To see that, we have to find the different cases of insertion. We'll get four sort of cases of insertion here. The first case is that already taken AVL tree upon an alpha node. If you insert a new node into the left subtree of the left child. If you insert the new node into the left subtree of the left child of alpha, that is one case. Or if you insert into the left subtree of the right child, or if you insert into the right subtree of the right child, or the final combination is that insert into the right subtree of the left child. The node, whatever we are inserting at a particular location, we can observe that may be inserted for a particular for an alpha node, for an identified node. For that, it may be its left subtree's left child, or its left subtree's right child, or its right subtree's left child, or right subtree's right child. These are the 4 cases we have identified, and here let us name the cases. It is left subchild, left child, it is case 1, and right subtree's right child, which is case 3. Case 1 and case 3 can be resolved. For the readjustment of the AVL tree, we have to perform single rotation. And for case 2 and case 4, in order to readjust our AVL tree satisfying the balanced condition, we have to go for double rotation. So that because of the insertion of the new node, if the tree has become non-AVL tree, that again will be converted into AVL tree. Now let us see single rotation and double rotation and the models for that. Single rotation, left subtree's left child. Something like K2, K1 is its left subtree, its left child, if you consider this particular example tree, here it is satisfying the balanced condition or balanced factor property. K1 is having 0 and K2 is having 1. So everywhere it is satisfying the balanced condition of the ABL tree. So this is one ABL model. Now here if you observe, here one more node is added to this. One more node is added. This is again a subtree. Subtree added because of adding a node here. If it is failing at K2. If it is failing at K2, the balanced condition, then we have to go for single rotation. Single rotation, that is, here from K1 to K2, here it takes a rotation, so that we are fixing K1 here, and from here it has to take a rotation towards clockwise. So it becomes K1 will get K2 towards its right, and K2's right child as it is, it will be there, and K1 as it is fixed, its left child will be there fixed, and K1's right will go as K2's left. So this is the resultant ABL tree model. For single rotation, it is left subtrace, left child. Similarly, we can have, you can see the other case under single rotation, that is right subtrace, right child, which is K1 if this is the case, and if you assume here at K1, if it is failing the balanced condition, a new node is inserted, right subtrace as right child, because of the insertion of the right subtrace, right child, here at this node K1, the balanced condition has got failed. So for this case, as it is right subtree, right child, we have to go for single rotation to convert this non-ABL into ABL tree. For that, here it is, it has to take from K2 will be fixed, and from K2 it will take a single rotation in the anti-clockwise direction. Then you will get K2 and its left will be our K1. K1's left, X as it is, it will be there, and this K2's left, it will become K1's right. K2's left, it will become K1's right. So this is the equivalent ABL model with single rotation. Moving on to the double rotation, two cases. When we have to go for double rotation, it is the case left subtree is right child, or right subtrace left child. Let's consider the first case.